Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how I made this waffle stitch granny square. Again, another granny square with different design. Hope you like it as much as I do. It's very pretty. It's not difficult, right? It took me time to find out how to make it the front sides and how to make the waffle stitch granny square, but once you get the hang of it, it's very easy and it's very quick to make. So unlike many waffle stitch granny square in the internet, this one is not worked front and back, means we don't need to turn back and front for each row. It is all worked in the front side and it's very easy. Just 2 rows repetition throughout the work to obtain this look. So this is one I made, this is another one in a different color, and this is one I'm still making. So if you wanna see how to achieve this waffle granny square, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5mm crochet hook. You can use whichever yarn you like with the recommended hook on the yarn label. So we'll start with a simple slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna join to form a ring. For the first square, I'm gonna chain 3 and make a double crochet in the ring. I'm gonna chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the ring. I'm gonna chain 2 again and 2 double crochet in the ring. Total of 4 times 2 double crochet and chain 2. So for the next row, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3 and I'm gonna make 1 back post double crochet in the next stitch and in the next one as well, the previous 2 double crochet we made. In the corner, I'm gonna make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Again, I'm gonna push the next double crochet, work a back post double crochet. Yarn over, push the next double crochet and work a back post double crochet. Then in the corner, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and repeat. Back post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the chain 2 space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and in the last 2 stitches, 1 back post double crochet in each. And we end with 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 2, and join to the first 3 chain 3, which is considered as a double crochet in the chain 2 space. So this row was the first repetition of the pattern. So the first repetition is made of, in the chain 2 spaces, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and in the previous stitches, previous double crochet, 1 back post in each. And then the second repetition, which we're gonna do now. So before I tell you of the second repetition, what you need to know, what is front post double crochet will be front post double crochet, will always stay front post double crochet, and the alternation will be one row which was back post double crochet will be a normal double crochet, and then again in the next row back post double crochet. I'm gonna show you now. So chain 3, and the chain 3 is always considered as a double crochet in the chain 2 space. So we've got this previous chain 3. I'm gonna make a front post double crochet. In the previous back post double crochet, I'm gonna make 1 normal double crochet in each. In the next double crochet in the space, I'm gonna make a front post double crochet. Now in this row, in this chain 2 spaces, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So that's the increase of the squares and of the granny square. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space. And then here I've got the previous double crochet of the chain 2. I'm gonna make a front post double crochet. The pattern is already posted, so have a look at it if you have any difficulties with this. So in the next 2 stitches, which were back post double crochet, I'm gonna make a normal double crochet in the stitch. And then again in the double crochet in the chain 2 space, I'm gonna make a front post double crochet, and in the corner again 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And again 1 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next back post, 1 front post double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the previous chain 2 space, again front post double crochet, one double crochet in each previous back post, one front post double crochet, and this is my last space. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3 space, which is considered as a double crochet in the space. So you see it's already shaping, and then it will shape even more with the next row and the next ones. So this is the second repetition. One was the previous one and this is the second one. So one square or one row which was the previous one, we made in the chain 2 space 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. In the second repetition, on top of it, it's 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And as we said, the front post double crochet will always be front post double crochet, no change. And which were the back post double crochet in the previous row will be a normal double crochet in the next row, and will be again a back post double crochet in the next row. That's what we're gonna see now. So I'm gonna chain 3. Again, it is considered as a double crochet in the chain 2 space. So I've got the front post double crochet again. Now I've got the 2 normal double crochet. I'm gonna make a back post double crochet in each. And again, front post double crochet. Now I've got 2 new double crochet, which were the ones in the space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. I'm gonna make a back post double crochet, and that's the first increase of the new squares. You see? And now again I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space. And again, back post double crochet. And a front post from the previous front post double crochet. And back post in the next 2. And front post in the next front post double crochet. Again, in the next double crochet, 1 back post in each. In the space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, back post double crochet in the next 2. Front post in the next front post double crochet. And again, in the next 2 double crochet, 1 back post. And 1 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 1 double crochet. and we've got this last two double crochet in the previous chain two space. So we're gonna work back post, double crochet, and join to the top front post stitch. Okay, when I said the chain 3, initial chain 3, it's in the space. In this one, what you can do to avoid having a extra chain 3 space, what you can do to avoid having extra chain 3 space, you can start working the front post double crochet right away. Means yarn over and push the previous front post double crochet and work a front post double crochet, so to avoid this extra stitch. Okay, and this is how it looks after the 2 rows repetition. So the forming of the squares is going on as it should be, like in this one. So this were made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of waffle stitch, and like I have explained, is a 2-row repetition. I hope you found the tutorial easy to follow and understandable. I hope you'll try your own and make this pretty waffle stitch. It is easy. It needs a little focus. Check the written pattern, which is written in details, which will also help you in achieving this granny square. Until next time, take care, bye bye.